Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone lock screen widgets issue on iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem of your iPhone lock screen widget is not working properly, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings and then tap on journal, then scroll down and then tap on shutdown. And from here guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply check for the restrictions. For that you have to just simply open settings, scroll down, and here you will see the option of screen time. Scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction, turn it on, enter your screen time passcode and make sure that all the toggles should be allowed. And after that guys, simply turn off your restriction, and after that again open settings and you have to make sure that the low power mode is disabled. If it is enabled, then you have to just simply disable it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply turn on location services. So guys, simply turn on location services, and from here guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then the last solution is you have to just simply reset all your settings. For that you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys, then tap on journal, scroll down, and you will see here the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your all setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.